Hi everyone, myself S.K. Tiwari from Delhi. In 1988, as hobby, I started learning KP Stellar Astrology. Having reading all the 6 readers, I got correspondence course from Chennai KP SAR Institute and got 91% marks in 1989. I did practice up to 2004 but could not satisfy myself because 50% success is not success. I find that fourfold significator did not give the result, but planet which was not in fourfold significator gave result. I tried to find the answer, but I do not get any answer. So I stopped working. But as interest, I was continued watching posts in the forum. After my retirement from job, my spiritual guru insisted me to restart my practice in 2017, not for money basically, but to help to the society by this divine science. I remember that great stalwart of KP astrology, Sri Kashinath ji, so I traced him and requested to accept me as his pupil. He invited me to join online course to be started soon in May-June 2017. This was the second divine help to me. I joined that online course and started my second phase of this divine science. Though I was in fear whether online class will help me, but I was surprised that it was likely to be attending the same as I would have been sitting in class room in front of him. His way of teaching, his patience, his compelling attitude towards his students to put his doubts, queries or confusions, repeated explanations, giving more and more toughest example, faced me to learn logics first, then implementation, but step to step. His narration, your ruling planets may possibly not help sometime, but a step to step application of logic and rule can never fail. Admire me. He is Guru, who is always available for his students tirelessly. I experienced his software first version from 2017 onward till date. I know the development of software from basic EPS table, ESI table to the present semi-automated analyzer table and house grouping table in the EPS star software. Presently, this EPS star soft has all the features and tools that are most useful for the users for correct analysis and interpretation on the planet's strength. I can say boldly that you need not bother even slightly to make calculation for finding strength. If I used logically, step by step, following the method and rule, prediction to the minute is result without fail. In addition to that, Guru Aditya Kashinath ji help at every time to correct us is present. Why I am admiring and fond of EPS system of astrology is obviously a question in your mind. If it is possible in few words, based on my experience, is that no any system, whether Vedic, KP theory, 4-step theory, gospel interlink theory or Nadivar's, whatever, all is available in EPS system of astrology along with what EPS system have in its own. But no other system has this. What EPS system have is sure as truth. For example, proves that for example, a planet which did not find place as significator for execution of an event, but EPS system proves that planet not only fruitful for the event, but according to its strength capable to execute also. This facilitates to astrologer not to face embarrassing situation. For examining this fact, you may go to the e-book, The Secrets of the EPS System of Astrology, through which you yourself can compare this truth. But it is a must to learn the EPS system in a proper way. I strongly recommend to learn EPS system of astrology through online course conducted directly by Dr. Kashinath ji. He will teach, not only teach you and also train you. Only thing needed is your interest in learning this advanced system for improving your accuracy in predictions? I am proud to be an astrologer of EPS system of astrology, learned directly from the founder this great and wonderful system, respected Dr. G.K. Adit Kashinath ji. My heartiest pranam in his lotus feet. My sincere regards to all of you and thanks a lot to bear me. Namaskar.
I am Segar Subramani of Trichy city in Tamil Nadu. I am basically a civil engineer and I worked in Quad Board, Tamil Nadu Water Supply and Drainage Board, a state government organization, and retired as executive engineer during 2011. I am a KP astrologer then before learning EPS. I am doing my practice in my hometown. This is my office, a glimpse of office. I studied astrology from the recognized universities and got diploma in astrology, BA in astrology and MSc in astrology. The course was covering more on traditional Vedic method of astrology and just introduction in KP. I was a member in KP Yahoo group and participated in the discussion in that forum. I learnt more of KP system there in the group from the posts of senior astrologers, Tinmin Sir, Dr. Adit Kashinath, Dr. Rath and other astrologers. I improved my KP knowledge from the discussion. I have a lot of unanswered questions in my mind in KP. When I used the KP in my analysis in initial stages in the marriage timing cases, I took 2, 7, 11 signifying planets from fourfold significator table and take the Dasa Bhuti Andhra planets. I didn't take aspect, conjunction, planet significations, cuspal star lordship, cuspal sublordship significations in deciding the Dasa Bhuti Andhra planets. Further, primary unfavorable significations of the selected planets were also not taken into account in the analysis. Dr. Adit Kashinath has launched EPS during 2016. It was on 21/2/2016 at Salem. I enrolled myself in the class. KP mainly speaks on the fourfold significators, that is planet level signification and star lord level significations. This is good when compared to the non-scientific traditional rules for timing. There was failures in application of fourfold significators. It was at the time of my association with the KP, EPS was launched by Dr. Adit Kashinath. The principle behind extended planetary signification system, as the name itself speaks, considering the significations additionally over and above the fourfold significators. This includes star lordship, sublordship in self-signification and signification of conjunction planets, aspecting planets and aspected planets. After learning the EPS concept, these omissions come to my knowledge. EPS doesn't omit any such significations in analyzing the chart for an event. In the initial stages, before the release of the software, EPS table was manually prepared by the EPS learners and the ESI table for an event was also prepared manually. This made me to understand the EPS table output from the software. I am proud to say I have prepared EPS ESI Excel application software and this was used before release of the EPS software. I have to say a few words on the EPS software. There are a variety of reports to arrive at the result. It may be on the destiny of an event given by the planet or the DBA planet's study for the event. The following are the reports list: EPS ESI table, ESI analyzer table, overall planet CSL, Cuspal sublordship, quality all, graph showing rank of planets, house grouping tables, key planets, spill tables. I think there is reluctance in learning EPS system on two counts. Number one, a section of KP astrologers and practicing Vedic astrologers avoid EPS system as they say it is complicated to deal with a lot of data and significations, and it is not easy to predict through our software. It is just because we have so many features in our software which were added in the course of development from 2016. Now this HG table, that is house grouping table, is simple to follow, which many new people can understand and follow, and not to focus on other tables in the beginning. I feel for the beginners, learning the EPS system will be easier with HG tables. My contribution is there in the evolution of software, even though it is small. Another section of the KP astrologers are not favorable in changing KP principles on the pretext of improvement. If Guruji KSK thought like that when he invented new KP system, we would not have enjoyed the fruits of KP system now. There is a Tamil proverb, Palayana Kalidalum, Pudiyana Pudalum, Ulagin Yelbu. The English meaning of the above proverb is the old order change giving place to new. That is, change alone is permanent. I have been in association with EPS for 5 years, right from the inception, and following the EPS in practice. It has given me immense satisfaction in analyzing the charts with the EPS principle using EPS software. It has boosted my confidence level in facing customers seeking astrological predictions. I can say definitely it has given good success rate in prediction. Good luck to all. Thanks to Guruji Dr. Adit Kasnath. Guruve Saranam.
Om Namo Narayanaya. My name is Ajit Chandran. I am from Kochi, Kerala. I've been student of Aditya Kashnath ji for the past 2.5 years. The EPS system for astrology is very accurate, and it provides better delineation for all the astrologers who basically use this system for prediction. I was a KP follower for the past 15 years. I find that EPS astrology is providing better results, better accuracy, and in finding out the Dasha Bhukti Yantra, and also the concepts are very clear, and the course that is expounded by our Guruji is very easy to follow and in capsule manner. So I find this I think this video finds you in best of health, and expect that you also get to know about the EPS astrology. Wishing Guruji all the best in the new year, and also God bless him, and let EPS astrology get expounded or be followed all over the world. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, I am Ramesh Babu, a retired lecturer and KP astrologer. I am very happy to speak out about EPS system of astrology founded by Dr. G.K. Adit Kashnath. I was using so many softwares for my predictions, but I don't know the reason for some failures. I was suffering a lot for my failures. When I came to know about the accuracy of the EPS system of astrology, I have attended the EPS online classes for 2 months. I must really appreciate Manya Sri Adit Kashinath sir for his style of teaching with all necessary live charts on the screen using the features of EPS software were really great and interesting. He has taught us patiently everything regarding astrology and tested us periodically whether we are following or not. All my doubts were clarified with the EPS system of astrology and also found the answers for my previous failures. EPS system is consisting of extended planetary significations without missing any significator, and EPS system is all logic based so that I easily understood the method of analysis and predictions. I have never seen the features which are in EPS software like house grouping, analyzer, build tables, ESI tables, ruler supports, planetary graph positions, planetary rankings, whatnot, everything for an astrologer, those who want to give correct prediction for every event. There is one golden feature, that is EPS event, in which there are more than 90 to 95 events. Generally people come and ask for the astrologers everywhere with favorable and unfavorable significations, with which astrologer can find out the event's position easily. EPS software is a ready reckoner in my view. Now I am very much confident in analyzing of any chart and predict the same. I feel very proud and happy because I am also one of them, those who attended to the EPS online course conducted directly by Dr. G.K. Adit Kashinath. Thank you Guruji Kashinath sir. I feel very proud and lucky being one of your students, those who are following EPS system using EPS software and giving correct predictions. Thank you.